Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple user interface so that we can input the value and with a button to trigger the program. All right, so in this interface, you can see we have two text field and there is one button. So what we are going to do is by completing this program, we can input the Celsius degree temperature right here. And then we can simply click that button to trigger the program to do the conversion. So right now you can see the program can convert the Celsius degree temperature into Fahrenheit temperature. So how can we do that? I would like to give you guys a simple explanation. So you could see there are two text fields, and the text fields are actually from these two lines. Right, so we have these two lines refers to the text field for the user to input the temperature. And one thing you should pay attention, which is the ID. So when we're talking about the value inside this box, we may need to know where to get the value in the program. So we will use the ID as an identifier so that we know where to get or where we put the value. So this ID refers to this field, okay? So you will also see in the lower part of the program, there will be one line talking about document.getElementById by cell.value. And this line is actually talking about to get this value for this case, which is 37.5, and then we can get the 37.5 into this part. And once we have this line, and then the 37.5 will be stored in this variable. So that we will have cell having the value of 37.5, and then we can simply do this conversion by using this line, and then finally we will project the value from FAH, which is originally from here, and then we will put this value into the the text box FAH. So we will finally have this value in this part. All right, but there is another thing you should know in this program, which is about the button. Okay, the program will be triggered by clicking this button. So when you click this button, the conversion will be done. But when you click this button, how to tell the program to run to convert the temperature? So one thing you should know, which is this line on click equal sign and then cell to FAH, and this simple syntax is talking about there will be a function. So I'm going to introduce a very simple function to you. So at this point, I think you can observe that the function name cell to far and then with a bracket, which is identical to this part. So that means when we click this button, this function will be called, and then so that when we click this button, and then it will call this function, so that the program inside this function will be run. And then finally, we will get the value converted right here. All right, let's try another value. Let's try 40. All right. So it's a very simple user interface for us to do the same thing for the temperature converter. But one thing, once again, for this temperature converter, we are still doing the one-way conversion. So your exercise is to build one more button here so that we can convert the temperature in both sides. All right, so I would like you guys to add one more button right here. All right, so see if you can done it. So I would like to give you guys probably half an hour. Try to do it, okay, and then come back to see the answer. Thank you so much. If you have any question, let me know. See you next time.